Hey, good morning, guys. uh, Man, this is my first video in a while. Sorry, guys, I didn't have any time to record any videos and do nothing. We just moved the garage. We actually moved to a much bigger place. It's a very nice garage, as you can see. Before we only had place like 3-4 trucks inside. Now we can fit like 12 trucks. So it's much better. Okay. On this first video, it's simple. We have a Volvo 2012. It's a D13 engine. The issue is like when cold or in the morning, it's cranking really much before starting. It's like you need to crank about 2 minutes. Usually that either means a bad fuel pump that is not so common. They don't fail so fast. But in this case, we're having a problem with the injector rings. They don't hold the pressure over time. So we're gonna proceed to remove the injector rings. Inspect the cups. If everything is good, we will replace only the injector rings, and I think that will fix everything, with the starting issue. Okay, I'll make another video in about an hour and a half after I open the injectors, so you can see what's about. Bye, guys.